In this video, I'm going to show you how to run WebAuthn in ASP.NET Core MVC, and then the database that we have used is SQL Server. All right, so I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, so I'm going to click on this play button right here. This one, this one, this one right here. Click on it. That's where to run the project. So once you've clicked on it and then wait for it to open in your web browser. So currently I'm using Chrome as my default web browser. So this is the home page, like this is the welcome page, secure authentication with Passkeys. So if this is your first time accessing this system, all you need to do is to register. And then if you've registered and you've set your passkeys, all you need to do after that is to click on login. So I'm going to show you how this works, right? So I'm going to click on register. So this registration page is for someone who haven't registered before and they haven't set their passkeys. So you need to fill in these registration details. Click on the create account button, right? And then if you have registered before and then you want to sign in into the system just to check how the secure authentication with passkeys works, and then you need to click on the login button. So once you do that, enter your email, and then if you wish to enter your passwords, and then you can log in with your password. But the idea behind this system is for we to show you that you don't actually need your password to log in. You can log in with, say, use biometric instead. So you can log in with your set passkeys. Okay, so we are going to start this from scratch. So I'm going to click on register, right? So for this, we are going to use, for the purpose of this demo video, we are going to use only testing credentials, right? So I'm going to say demo at example.com. Okay, so once you've finished filling the form, click on create account. So the account has been created. The next step that we are going to do right now is to either click on manage passkeys or my account. So I'm going to click on manage passkeys. All right. Next, I'm going to click on add new passkeys. Okay. On this pop-up dialog box, I'm going to click on continue. Okay. Next, I'm going to set my passkeys. Once you've entered your passkeys, click on the OK button. Good. So the passkey has been added successfully. So once your passkey has been added successfully, when next you want to log in into the system or the website or the mobile app, as the case may be, you don't need to log in with your passwords. All right. So all you need to do is click on login with biometrics. All right, so I'm going to show you how that works. So for instance, you can rename this my device. So this is just a default name that we have set. So you can rename this if you want. Okay, so let's say rename, and then we say demo computer. Then you click on OK. See, so you've renamed your device. So this name doesn't actually mean anything. All right. So it's just for you to see how it works. Okay. So you can actually delete the passkeys and re-enter a new one if you want. Right. So let's log out. I'm going to click on the logout button, and then let me show you how the login system works with passkeys. Click on sign in. Okay, on the sign in page, enter the email that you've used. So for me, I have used a demo email. I'm going to click on use biometric. I'm going to click on it. Good. Now, because we have set our passkeys, that is our PIN, as the passkeys, all right, so that is why we have this dialog box. But if you're using a PC, like a Windows PC or a Mac that has a physical biometric device on it, and if that is what you have set, and then that's what you're going to use to log in. But because I have set my PIN as my passkeys, so I'm going to use that PIN to log in right now. Don't forget, this implementation works on iPhone, it works on Android phones, it works on Windows PC, and it works on Mac PC. I've tested it on all of these devices. So next I'm going to click on OK button. See, I've been able to log in into the website using my PIN, right? So this is just a homepage, like a dummy homepage. All right. So the idea is for we to show you how this secure authentication with passkeys works. All right. So this is just a feature. This is just a module that you can use to integrate into your main application, right? So that's the idea. We created this feature for you to be able to integrate it into your own application. So it's a system that has been tested and it is working very well. So thank you so much for watching. If you're still watching this video and you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click on that subscribe button and also like the video. Don't forget, click on the notification button so that once we publish videos like this, it will get to you first. Thank you. Bye for now. See you in my next video.